It's Bobby and Kurt on our kayak adventure. We just saw two dolphins. They're coming right at us. We were throwing food out off the side, some wings, and we have a feeling they're going to come up any time now. Bob, where do you think they're going to show up? Yep. Oh, there they are. Holy crap. Holy crap. What do you think about that, Bobs? Not bad.
Can't get closer.
Not bad. That's AAA ball right there. Alright, well, I'm going to sign out before I drop the camera in the water. Maybe we'll do one more sighting. Oh, there they are. Holy crap, they're just right next to us. They're just hanging out right next to us. They're just coming with us. We're moving, really slow, and they're just hanging out. I feel like I could give them a high five on this next pass. Alright, we better go. Because I don't know how much memory my camera has, but